Hi guys, a practical video about Thunar. One of the things that marks or stands out in ArcoLinux is the fact that Thunar is our default file manager on so many desktops. Even on Plasma we use it to go to another computer system, Samba. The thing is, we like the use of this configure custom action. I think with the most actions that we can think of, and I just came with another idea yesterday. So configure custom action is a great tool. It lets you create kind of application or whatever you're missing with the right mouse click. So the right mouse click is all of this, and this is a new guy. I think I was working on the package build Calamaris, and I wondered how much space is this taking up? Is there some hidden gigabytes somewhere, right? You have sometimes this idea, how is it possible that my free space is only, that's the thing. I wanted to know in this folder, how is it going, right? Where are all the gigabytes gone to? In this case, it's the .git. I can easily use Baobab, which is the name, the application for this thing, to just do a right mouse click and know what's going on. So many things are not gonna get in ArcoLinux, right? This is not gonna get there. But if you want that, you make it yourself, or you have a look at the ArcoLinux Nemesis, github.com, ArcoLinux Nemesis. There is a personal folder, there's settings, and I keep my personal settings here, right? If you say, like this, go and have a look and compare, because they basically, that's it. So why is this now working? Because Control H, we have in config, we have Thunar, type it in, Thunar, and this is the code. It doesn't make sense if you look at it like this, maybe, right? But this is the code. Have this, and right mouse click, Baobab of course is installed, but Melt is installed, GitHub is installed, GitHub is installed, of course the application needs to be there, and then click, right? These two files, that's it. How do I do that? Edit, configure custom actions, do a plus, give it a name. Let's just use Baobab again. Let's give it number 2, right? Description, blah, 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 right? Doesn't matter. Submenu, no. Baobab. That's the command. That's the application. That's Firefox. That's Vivaldi. That's an application, something to launch. And then you take a look at the other guys, right? There are other guys here, and often first I thought it was $1. It's not. It's a percentage and a capital F or maybe a D. Keyboard shortcut if you want to. Do not want it. So an icon. Choose your nice icon. In this case, you can look for Melt, for example, or GitHub. These are all the icons, right, that I've installed. All of them. You can select by the drop down there. But basically, Baobab. Let's take another one. This one, another icon. That's the official one. Okay, fine. So you see the difference later on. And then do not forget this one. When, right? This is creating, but when will you see it? You'll see it if it is a docx, or if it is a .sh, or if it is a directory. If it is a text file, a video file, other files, image files, audio files, right? When do we show this icon? Thunar is great. It can add this to the list. Baobab 2. So close. Let's do a practical exercise. Well, we were talking about ArcoLinux Nemesis. Is there something big in here? Right mouse click, Baobab 2. So let's have a look. How big is this? Why is this so big? Settings. 12% of icons. I've put icons in here. Oh, look at that. New mix icons. I'll have a look later. Why I've put it in there. Okay, There seems to be a tar GZ, something I created in the past, new mix breeze for Plasma, and completely forgot about it. And that's the point. That's Baobab, right? Thinking, why do I have gigabytes? Right mouse click. This is why. Baobab 2. This is why. Have a look. All the rest is just small things, right? Small things. But this one, well, I didn't know that. And that's how you do it. So what if you have in mind, Thunar is there, the custom, how do you call it again? The configured custom actions are here. It's just a matter of creating one, and later on, of course, also editing one. If you make something wrong, you'd go back in there, go change some things, change the icon, change this, change that, okay again, and the file is there, right? In Thunar, you have this UCA file, and keep it safe, because you don't want to create, again, set wallpaper for a dual screen, set wallpaper for a single screen. So I download something that is basically a wallpaper for 2 big screens. I do right mouse click, and I use this one. This is just one single screen. I got the same wallpaper on both screens. Small things that make our life easy, like convert WebP to GPG, convert PNG to GPG. I mean, I'm always busy with websites, so yeah, I need to right mouse click and voila, done. Use the power, use Thunar.